Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max AI. Let's dive right into getting started with this powerful tool. Max AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to streamline your daily tasks, offering a wide array of features from natural language processing to sophisticated data analysis and even content generation. To begin your journey, simply ensure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible device, such as a desktop computer, laptop, or even a modern tablet. This will provide the optimal environment for accessing and utilizing all of Max AI's capabilities effectively. Now, let's explore Max AI's core features and how to navigate them. The main dashboard is your central hub, offering quick access to essential functionalities such as text generation, summarization, and image recognition. You can easily navigate through the various modules by using the intuitive sidebar menu located on the left-hand side of the interface. For even faster access, utilize the powerful search bar positioned at the top of the screen to quickly locate specific tools, settings, or even past projects you've worked on, saving you valuable time. Max AI truly shines in its practical applications, making your work more efficient. You can generate high-quality written content, including articles, emails, and social media posts, in a matter of seconds, significantly boosting your productivity. It also excels at analyzing large datasets, identifying crucial trends and insights by processing up to 1 million data points per minute. Furthermore, Max AI can automate many repetitive tasks, such as scheduling and data entry, potentially freeing up approximately 2 hours of your day for more strategic work. It's a game changer for efficiency. To get the most out of Max AI, here are some essential tips for optimal use. Firstly, regularly update your Max AI software to ensure you always have access to the latest features, performance improvements, and crucial security enhancements. Secondly, don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and settings. This is key to achieving the best and most tailored results for your specific needs and projects. Finally, if you encounter any challenges or wish to explore advanced functionalities, always refer to the comprehensive in-app help guide or engage with the vibrant online community forums for support and insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.